Good morning. Welcome to the Quilted Chicken Farm. What am I doing this morning? Well, I've been up here for a little while and I filled an order or two. But this morning, early this morning, I found a pattern for a free pattern here for a quilt. And I was trying to cut up the pieces and make a kit. Now, I don't know if I'll sew this or if I'll see if one of you guys want to buy it and do it. But this is from Robert Kaufman Fabrics, and it's Mosaic Garden featuring Decadent Garden. But you know what I'm using in it? Let's show you. I decided that I would use some of this Walk on the Prairie, so that's what I've been cutting up. So far, I've been cutting the strips. Been trying to follow those directions and do it like it says, because it's got a lot of parts and pieces, but I'm working on them. You probably can't see that, but that's what it's going to look like. And I'll post a link to this pattern. Fabric A cut 3 inches, fabric B cut 3 inches. I'm working on it. So I've got to, which one have I got to? See, I've lost my place. There's A, B. I'm using this pretty gingham here for C. D's this piece. So I think that means I'm on E, don't it? Alright, let's see. Fabric E, cut 6 3-inch. Cut 6 3-inch. Let me get this on here. Let's see if I can cut 3. And I need to, well, I run out of, I had a notepad here. You know me, everything goes wrong when I try to do something. I had a notepad with some little pieces of paper, and I was making all the notes, and I used it all. So no notepad. I'll just have to, let me see. Let me find me some more paper. Where's me some paper? Not anything in here to write on, is there? Let me go get some paper. I'll be right back. I can find it real quick. I think. I'm coming back. Wait for me. Wait for me, don't leave. I'm back. I picked up some paper there on the floor, and you know, I kind of pile stuff up. And you know, I've been looking for this one. I printed this one out the other day, and I wondered where I put it. But it's another free pattern for Jenny's Easy Carpenter Star. I'm going to make that too. It makes it 83 by 83. But anyway, I'm sidetracked now. Let me borrow this piece of paper off the bottom of it. And now I'm going to go to fabric G. That's G. And I'm going to cut that one F, A, B, C, D, E, F. No, G's the background. I'm on... Y'all are gonna have to just laugh at me. Alright, let me start over again. A, B, C, D. I'm gonna cut E, I think. Okay, I'm gonna cut 6 3 inches. I'm gonna cut 6 3 inches. And I think it'll be right this time. This is going to be so pretty. All the fabrics in it's just beautiful. Gotta hold it down. Oh, it keeps slipping just a little bit. Let me go that way and go back and get this way. 1, 2, Don't move. Don't breathe too hard, it'll slip. Oh, quit that. I think it's time to put a new blade in. Alright, let me move stuff out of the way so I can keep on going. Let me scoot it that way. I need 3 more. Because that's G. Do y'all have to think about this as hard as I do? Gonna have to make a whole lot of half square triangles with these 3-inch pieces. Well, I'm still not getting that all the way loose. Saw it along through here. Maybe it'll do it this time. 2, 3, 4, 5. One more. Now I haven't started doing it, but from this step right here, we're going to cut them into 3-inch squares. Let's cut a couple of them. We're going to cut all them and let's see how many it's going to make. Oh, I needed to cut them all into, from the strips, we're going to make these little pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wonder how many we get out of a strip. Do y'all know? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's put that on a darker piece. I couldn't see it on the white. I'll just move it. That's what I'll do. I can see it better now. 5, 6, 7, 8. 9, 10. 11, 12. 13, 14. Got 14 of those 3-inch squares out of that strip. But I'll forget that next time I turn around, won't I? But all these strips will have to be subcut like this. Let's see, what are we going to do next? We need some background. Let's get some background here. I'm going to use this for the back, for the background. Don't you think that'll go pretty with that? I do. So let's cut a few of them. Getting all unorganized here, but that's the story of my life, is being unorganized, I think. And it's G. Cut 9 of them. Cut 9 3-inch, subcut 120 3-inch half square triangles. And then I have to cut some 2.5. Alright, let's start cutting. And I'm cutting enough for the whole top, which is not a big top, but I'm cutting enough for all of it. 1. And in a minute, I'm going to move to a little bit higher table. This table's a little low. I wish it was about right here. And one of these days, I'll fix that and it'll be higher up. That slipped just a little bit on me. I want to roll that over easy. And yes, I've got a different ruler I'm going to use when I subcut these. But I was just showing you what I was doing. And we you ought to let me cut you one of these and we all make one just like. That'd be kind of fun. I always say we're going to have a sew along, but then I jump off on another project because I'm scatterbrained like that. And I can't keep going the right way I'm supposed to be going. A few minutes ago, I walked in there to put up some fabric, and then I saw a pattern there. Like, oh, look, and I'm talking to myself, telling what would look good with this pattern or that pattern. All right, this is what I showed you what I'm a-cutting, and I'm going to post the link to it. So if you want one of them, you can print it out and cut one and make it too. So I'll see y'all later. I'm gonna keep on puttering and messing around with this. So bye for now. See, this is what it looks like.